Open your book to page 717. So today's lesson is on how to count number of ways. So get ready in preparation for the probability. So let's go over example 1. So example 1 says how many even two-digit whole numbers are there. So when you have deal with this kind of problem, what you want to do is you first need to figure out how many digits are there. So it tells you 2 digits. So that's good. So you go and make 2 boxes, right? One for each digit. So there are 2 digits. And you want to figure out how many ways can put in each box. Okay? So if it says, and you want to write down all your information. So it's even. So it's even. And there are 2 digits. So you already did that. So now what you need to do is figure out how many ways can you put in each of the spot. So this is the 10th digit, this is unit digit, right? Now normally you want to do the restriction first. So it's even. So how many even can you put in? How many digits can you put in here to make it even numbers? Well, you can put 0, you can put 2, you can put 4, you can put 6, you can put 8, right? So there are 5 choices you can put in the unit digit to make it even. Okay? Now let's go to the 10th digit. How many ways can you put in here? Well, you can put 0 in there, right? There's no such thing as 0, 5, right? So you can start with 1, 2, all the way up to 9, right? So there are 9 ways, right? So there are 9 choices over here. You got 5 choices over here. In this case, you have to multiply. So there are 45 numbers. And the reason you have to multiply because you start with 1, right? You can have 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, right? And then you do the 2. You got 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, right? And you go to 3, right? So each of these digits will have 5 choices, right? And that's what you multiply. So the counting principle is you figure out how many ways of each digit and you just multiply them together. Okay. So again, the counting principle is you multiply. Okay? Figure out number of ways on each digit and you multiply, or how many ways in each item. So let's go to example 2. It says how many positive integer less than 100. So you have to figure out your digits, and to figure out the digits, you need to figure out the range. So positive number less than 100. So you're looking at 1 through 99, right? Again, it's positive and it's less than 100. Can be represented using the digit 2, 4, and 6. So you only can use 2, 4, and 6. Okay? So again, first you write down your range in order to figure out how many digits. So 1 through 99, you have 1 digit or 2 digits, right? You can have 1 digit or 2 digits. So for 1 digit, you got 3 choices. Okay, so these are 3 choices. Now when it's OR, you add, right? You add onto it. So you can have 3 digits from here, 2, 4, or 6. Okay, for 1 digit. Now for 2 digits, okay, you can put 3 digits in. You can put 3 in here, right? You can put 2, 4, or 6, right? So you got 3 choices. Over here, you also can put. Then you have to be careful, right? You have to see if it can be repeat or non-repeat. So this one you can repeat. So even though you use it already, you still can use it. So there's no restriction. Okay. And so you get 3 plus 9, you get 12. So there are 12 or 12 numbers. And you can list them out, right? So you can see you got 2, 4, 6, you got 22, 24, 26, then you got 42, 44, 46, then you got 62, 64, 66, right? So again, these are the 3 from here, right? And over here, so you got 3 times 3 because each of these you got 3 choices and there are 3 sets. That's where the 3 times 3 came from. Okay. Now the problems are fairly easy, so it's not too bad to list them. But what happens if there are like hundreds or millions of them? It will take too long to list everyone, right? So you got to learn how to count. Okay. Okay, let's go to example 3. Okay, it says how many positive. Okay, again, write down all your information. So positive, and it's even, and it's less than 100. Can represent it using digit 2, 4, and 6. So 2, 4, and 6, right? 1,000. Sorry. Hit that. I'm mixing up. Sorry. Back up. I'm mixing the two ones. Okay. How many positive even integer less than 1,000 can be using 2, 3, 4, and 5? So 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you go. Okay. Okay, so again, first you have to figure out the range. It's positive, even, and less than 1,000, so it'd be 2 through 998, right? Double check, so it's positive, even, less than 1,000. Okay, so 2 through 998, so you can have the 1 digit, okay, or the two digits or the 3 digits, right? So you can have 1 digit, 2 digit, or 3 digits. And it has to be even, so this one has 2 choices, right? You can have 2 or 4, right? Put over here. Now this one over here, for the 2 digits to be even, again, you always do the restriction first, okay? The restriction is even, so again, you can have 2 or 4 here, so you got 2 choices. You can use the digit 2 or digit 4, so 2 digits, so 2 choices. Okay, so you got 2 choices. You can use the 2 or you can use the 4. Now for the 10th digit, it doesn't matter. You can use any one of the 4. So there are 4 choices. Okay, over here, you can do the restriction first. To be even, you must only use the number 2 or the number 4. So you got 2 choices. For the 10th digit, it does not affect odd or even. So you can use any one of the 4. And again, the 100th digit, it will not affect odd or even. So you can use any one of the 4 digits, right? The choices. So now you work it out. So you got 2 plus 8 plus 32, and so it will be 42. Okay. Now it started getting more choices, so I'm not going to list all those 42 numbers. I mean, you can try, but I'm not going to. Okay, it's just take too long. Okay, let's go to example 4. Okay, it says how many license plates of the 3 symbols, letters, and digits can be used? At least 1 letter each in each. So you're going to have at least 1 letter. Okay, so you got 3 symbols. So again, at least 1 letter means you can have 1 letter or 2 letter or 3 letters, right? Okay, so now let's go and do the 1 letter. So 1 letter, you can have the L, number, right? And then you have the number, L, number, right? And then you can have the number, L, right? So this is for 1 letter. Then you have the 2 letters. So you can have the L, number. So basically, I'm just doing the rotation, right? So you can have L, number, L. Then you have the number, L, right? So again, at least 1 letter. So so this is a 1 letter, 2 letter. Then you have the 3 letters. Okay. So now you got to figure out each way, right? So the letter number would be, so there are 26 letters, right? Alphabet, right? So it'd be 26 times 10 times 10, right? Right. So it's letter number, right? And this one is going to be 10 times 26 times that. So I'm just going to times it by 3 because there are 3 of them, right? They're the same, right? Okay, now come over here. So you're going to get 26 times 26 times 10, right? And this one, again, you're going to get, these are the same, right? You're going to get 3 of the, this one will be 26 times 10 times 26. So they're going to have the same numbers. Again, I'm going to times it by 3 because there are 3 of these, right? Plus, this one will be 26 times 26 times 26, right? Okay, so now you have to use your calculator to work it out. Okay, so this is 7800. This one over here, it'd be 20280, and this one over here be 17576. So this will give you 45656. So by just using 3 symbols, that's how many different license plates that you can use. Okay. Now, this point is important because think about Hawaii, right? If you look at Hawaii license plates have 6 symbols, right? And you can use letters or you can use numbers, right? Digits. And for commercial, it will have the number, and then you have letter. Okay, for commercial. For the regular ones, for the non-commercial, you get a letter, number. Okay. Now, question is why use 6 symbols? Why not 5 or 7? Well, the reason is because if you use 5, you're not going to have enough license plates to go around. If you use 7, it's too many. You're just wasting because it costs money to make license plates, right? So the more symbols you have to put on a license plate, it increase the cost. Okay, and so that's a way to figure. Okay, so in Hawaii, okay, the population right now is about 1.3 million. So you can kind of estimate number of vehicles that you can use, and then therefore you can figure out how many license plates you need. So how many symbols you need. So how many license plates are possible for state of Hawaii? Well, let's figure it out. So you can have the 10 times 10 times 10 times 26 times 26 times 26, and this just reverse. So we're just going to times it by 2, right? Okay. So how many license plates are possible using the 6 symbols without some of the mixing? Notice in Hawaii state it does not have like number, letter, right? You're always this way. So that kind of cut down a little bit, but let's see how many we got. So in state of Hawaii, there are 35,152,000 license plates possible. So that's enough, right? That's more than enough, right? But you need to have 6 symbols because if you have 5, you're not going to enough, okay? And that's the reason Hawaii state has, have 6 symbols. And most of the states have 6 symbols, okay? Because again, like I said, 6 symbols give you, without the mixing, you already get 35 million already. So that's plenty enough. So now you know why there are 6 symbols on the license plate, not 5 or 7. Okay, let's go and do some practice.